everybody, it's Ivy. Today we're going to be doing a hair video. I got this gorgeous wig. So this is a full wig. This is a lace closure wig, okay? And we love lace closure wigs because they're beginner friendly, they're easy to install. This wig came pre-plucked and pre-styled. So I did not even style this. This is how it came out of the box, y'all. The length of the hair is so pretty. The ends of the hair, just gorgeous, so bouncy. And if you're a beginner with a wig, this is gonna be like the perfect intro into wigs for you because everything comes done from plucking to bleaching to styling. Everything is done. All you have to do is pop this on and cut your lace. I'm gonna show you the customizations that I added to this unit to make it custom for me. The hair feels very nice and soft, and this is an affordable unit. Again, this is from Wiggins Hair. The links and details for this hair will be below. So I've ran my mouth enough. If you guys are ready to see me install this hair, keep on watching. So I do have on my wig grip. You guys know I have to wear this with my units. They just make my units feel so comfortable and snug. All of my hair is in, everything is protected, my edges are protected. So the unit we're using today is from Wiggins Hair. I've worked with Wiggins Hair so many times. Inside of our box, here's our unit, 26-inch HD lace, and inside we have some goodies. Get a little elastic band, some really cute lashes, a HD wig cap, and an edge brush. Let's get into this unit. So it already came pre-styled, okay? Look at the curls. Everything is already done for you. This is gonna be a put on and go unit. It's already plucked to perfection, okay? Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. The curls on this unit is so pretty. Like, I don't have to do any work. They look so good and so bouncy. So this is what the inside of the unit looks like. It comes with an adjustable elastic strap. It comes with combs. 1, 2, 3 combs. It also comes with the adjustable straps. So usually, you guys, I like to go in and cut out these combs because I don't like them in my unit. I'm also gonna remove the adjustable elastic strap because I don't need it. And I did put my wig on the last hook right here. And now we're gonna go ahead and install. That lace looks so freaking good. I really appreciate how beautifully this is plucked. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and cut the lace, and then we're gonna go ahead and tack it down. Oh my goodness, you guys, my camera wasn't on when I was cutting my lace, but I just cut it, and I just kind of did like a little zigzag motion, and it came out looking so freaking seamless. I am gonna tack this down, but I'm not gonna use glue. I seen this product at the beauty supply store. Now I know we ain't supposed to be using, I was really curious about this product. It's a lace melt spray, and I wanted to try it. So I'm gonna flip this back. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna do a little bit of baby hair. Now we're gonna go in with our scissors and just trim. Really, really easy, y'all. I've been doing my baby hairs like this for years. Okay, you guys, so our wig is on. We're going to use some wax, and we're just going to press down everything so everything looks nice and flat and natural. Okay, so now we're going to just pick the curls apart. So pretty. You guys, I love the way the hair looks. So flowy, so bouncy. This was easy to put on. I did this whole unit in about 15 minutes. Very quick, very easy to install. So this unit is very beginner friendly. It took absolutely no time. It feels so comfortable. It feels like secure, nice, and flat on my head. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have all the links, all the details below. Comment below, let me know if you enjoyed this video. And I want to thank you guys again for watching another one of my videos, still supporting me all these years. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. I love bringing you guys hair content, and it's my thing. It's my thing, and I'm going to stick to it, okay? But all right, guys, I have to run. I'll talk to you on my next video.